Today, meet Jesse, a talented craftsman taking on his biggest project yet, transforming a 40-foot school bus into a cozy mobile home for his family of 5. With his wife Jay and their 3 adventurous kids, this bold build is set to create a lifestyle full of learning, exploration, and endless freedom. Their journey begins now. The transformation starts with complete interior demolition. Everything non-essential must go to establish a blank slate. Row after row of seats are unbolted and hauled out, revealing the expansive floor beneath. Interior wall panels come down next, exposing the bus's skeletal framework. Aged insulation materials are carefully extracted, making way for modern alternatives. Ceiling panels and light fixtures are dismantled. Trim pieces and mounting hardware that won't serve the new design are systematically removed. Addressing the corroded floor becomes priority 1. An orbital sander attacks the oxidized metal, gradually revealing cleaner surfaces underneath. Problem areas, corners, welded seams, and joints receive intensive treatment. Where seat bolts once penetrated the floor, circular metal plugs are bonded with industrial-grade adhesive. Larger compromised sections require cut-to-fit metal patches, which are welded flush with the surrounding surface and ground smooth. Every seam and connection point gets sealed with marine-grade sealant to block future moisture penetration. Finally, multiple coats of oil-based rust-inhibiting enamel provide a durable protective barrier across the entire floor pan. Jesse quickly recognizes a critical design flaw. The original ceiling height makes standing upright uncomfortable for adults. The solution? Raise the entire roof structure by 18 inches, from just behind the driver's compartment all the way to the rear exit. Using a cutting torch, precise incisions are made along the roof's structural members. Heavy-duty screw jacks are positioned at strategic intervals, then gradually cranked upward, lifting the roof section inch by inch. Once the target elevation is achieved, custom fabricated steel supports are installed to maintain the new height. These reinforcement bars are permanently welded to both the roof section and the bus body, creating a structurally sound connection. This creates a height mismatch between the raised rear section and the original front cab area. A transitional piece must bridge this gap. Long sheets of metal are precisely measured, cut, and positioned to create a gradual slope connecting the 2 roof heights. A pneumatic rivet gun secures these panels to the existing framework at close intervals. Additional sheet metal pieces are shaped and welded along both the original and elevated roof lines, forming a smooth, aerodynamic transition. Every weld seam is completed without gaps to ensure weather-tight integrity. After welding, all joints receive thorough sealing compound to prevent water intrusion. These areas are then sanded flush, creating surfaces ready for insulation and interior finishing. The transition section receives the same rust-preventive enamel treatment as the floor, ensuring comprehensive protection. Dimensional lumber is installed across the floor to create a raised framework with cavities for insulation. The spacing between joists is calculated to perfectly accommodate standard insulation board dimensions, minimizing cutting waste. Plywood sections are carefully cut to navigate around wheel well protrusions and the entry steps, ensuring precise fit throughout. Rigid foam insulation boards fill every cavity from front to back, creating a thermal barrier that will improve energy efficiency year-round. Oriented strand board panels are then fastened over the entire floor system, forming a stable substrate for the final flooring material. To restore natural daylight and fresh air circulation, openings are cut through the metal sidewalls at predetermined locations. The windows selected are specifically manufactured for mobile home applications, offering superior thermal performance, structural durability, and weather resistance. Built-in screens and locking hardware provide ventilation options while maintaining security. These windows are engineered to withstand constant road vibration and extreme temperature variations, making them perfect for a converted bus application. They dramatically brighten the interior while offering panoramic views of passing landscapes. Repainting the exterior accomplishes two goals: creating a fresh aesthetic identity and providing protective coating against environmental damage. A bonding primer is applied first, promoting paint adhesion while offering corrosion resistance to the metal substrate. After proper curing time, high-quality automotive paint is applied with a professional spray gun, achieving smooth, even coverage across all surfaces. Certain components, including wheel covers and accent trim, receive contrasting black paint to add visual dimension. Individual letters spelling Bluebird are mounted to the exterior, personalizing the vehicle. Continuing the aesthetic transformation, the original bifold bus door is replaced with a custom wooden alternative. This door receives multiple coats of exterior-grade water-resistant finish to prevent moisture damage and warping. Creating a comfortable living environment requires proper thermal insulation throughout. Fiberglass batting is selected for its proven performance and straightforward installation process. The insulation regulates interior temperatures by minimizing heat loss during cold seasons and reducing heat gain when temperatures soar outside. Wooden planks are mounted across both walls and ceiling surfaces, serving dual purposes, securing the insulation in position and creating a framework for routing electrical wiring, while providing attachment points for interior finished materials. Wire runs are established from the main electrical panel to designated locations for overhead lighting, wall outlets, appliance circuits, and control systems. To maximize spatial efficiency, the interior is divided into two distinct zones, with the partition positioned just aft of the wheel wells. Wooden framing is constructed over the wheel well humps, creating level platforms. This carpentry smooths out the curved contours, providing flat, stable surfaces for finished materials. Jesse constructs a dual-purpose platform. One section will support laundry appliances, while the adjacent area will house bathroom fixtures, including the toilet. On the opposite side, framing for a 3-level bunk bed system takes shape, maximizing sleeping capacity while utilizing vertical space efficiently. The lowest bunk is completed first, establishing a sturdy foundation. Wooden boards are mounted along the perimeter walls, with cutouts preserving access to electrical boxes. A full partition wall is framed and raised, mirroring the construction techniques used on the opposite side. Horizontal support beams are attached to the wall framework to carry the upper bunk platforms. A barn-style sliding door is installed within this partition wall, offering privacy while conserving floor space. This dividing wall establishes clear functional separation. One zone for cooking, dining, and family gathering. The other designated for sleeping and quiet rest. To ensure comfortable temperatures regardless of season, a rooftop air conditioning unit is mounted to the bus ceiling, providing efficient cooling capacity for the compact interior volume. construction begins with plywood sheets that will support the final surface treatment. These panels are cut to match the ceiling's contours and securely fastened to the roof framing. Strategic openings are drilled to accommodate recessed lighting fixtures and ventilation components, enhancing both the visual appeal and livability of the interior space. The bathroom receives dedicated framing to define its boundaries and ensure privacy. This framework is anchored to floor, ceiling, and adjacent walls for maximum stability. An overhead track system is installed and precisely aligned to allow smooth sliding door operation. The door panel is then hung and adjusted until it glides effortlessly along the track. A circular opening is cut through the exterior wall to install a water fill port. This fitting is sealed with weatherproof gaskets and secured firmly to prevent any leakage. Food-grade flexible tubing connects the external fill port to the freshwater storage tank's inlet. Stainless steel hose clamps ensure tight, leak-free connections at both ends. To deliver consistent water pressure throughout the mobile home, an electric water pump is integrated into the freshwater delivery system. The pump is positioned near the storage tank to minimize line length and maintain optimal pressure. The plumbing network expands to distribute both cold and hot water to all fixtures. Flexible PEX tubing is chosen for its durability, installation ease, and resistance to temperature extremes. Cold water lines are installed first, originating at the pump outlet and running through the bathroom to serve the toilet, sink, and shower fixtures. From the bathroom, the cold water line continues forward to the kitchen area, secured to wall studs with plastic clips to prevent movement during transit. Simultaneously, hot water lines are run from the water heater outlet, following parallel paths. Appropriate fittings connect these lines to each fixture location. Every joint is carefully inspected to confirm tight, leak-free connections. To enable self-sufficient off-grid capability, solar panels are mounted to the roof surface. They're positioned and angled to capture maximum sunlight throughout daylight hours. A weatherproof exterior electrical outlet is installed on the sidewall, providing protected access for connecting to the solar charging system. The solar panels feed into an inverter charger unit, which converts DC battery power to AC household current for appliances. This system intelligently switches between solar generation, battery storage, and shore power to maintain uninterrupted electrical service. A charge controller is integrated to optimize energy transfer from panels to batteries by continuously tracking maximum power point. This sophisticated device ensures efficient charging while preventing both overcharging and excessive discharge, maximizing battery longevity. With the complete solar installation tested and operational, the bus now possesses reliable renewable energy capability. plywood sheets are fastened to the bathroom framework, defining the room's interior geometry. This creates a solid foundation for waterproofing treatments and aesthetic finishes. With the bunk bed framework established, final construction and detailing ensure safety, comfort, and practical functionality. Individual reading lights are installed in each sleeping compartment, each with dedicated switches for personal control. Decorative wall panels are mounted to create finished surfaces that harmonize with the overall interior design vocabulary. All interior surfaces receive bright white paint to maximize light reflection, particularly important given the small entry openings to each bunk level. Enclosing walls are added around each sleeping area, providing both privacy and safety barriers for the children. This intimate personal space naturally appeals to kids, offering them individual retreats within the mobile home for long travel days. Where imagination and comfort combine, these bunks become favorite sanctuaries during both transit and downtime. To utilize every available cubic inch, a compact decorative storage cabinet is constructed above the driver's seat. Accent lighting is added, casting gentle illumination over the entry area. One of the most challenging carpentry details involves the curved transition where walls meet ceiling. These radiused corners are covered with bendable plywood, creating seamless transitions between vertical and horizontal planes. With structural ceiling work complete, decorative finish panels are installed to enhance interior aesthetics and provide a refined appearance. Palette, while adding a protective layer against wear and temperature cycling. These panels are selected for their lightweight yet durable characteristics, ideal for mobile applications, where minimizing weight and maximizing durability are essential priorities. Their texture and coloration unify the interior design, transforming the space from converted vehicle to thoughtfully crafted living environment. Pre-manufactured kitchen cabinets are positioned along the sidewall where plumbing lines already exist. The countertop is mounted atop these cabinets, creating a durable workspace for meal preparation. Precise cutouts are made in the countertop to accommodate the sink basin and faucet assembly. The kitchen area is now ready for plumbing connections and appliance integration. To enhance aesthetics and create interior cohesion, white decorative panels are mounted on the partition wall, separating living and sleeping zones. These panels match the style and texture of the bunk bed finishes, maintaining consistent design language. A robust wooden frame is built to secure the refrigerator and prevent shifting or tipping during transit. This frame is anchored to the platform, then enclosed with plywood panels, creating a cabinet-like structure capable of withstanding road vibrations and sudden stops. Another cabinet set is installed opposite the primary kitchen section, designed to provide abundant storage for cookware and utensils. A countertop is mounted with a designated cutout area to receive the cooking range. This zone is strategically designed to maximize convenience during food preparation. The water heater provides reliable hot water throughout the mobile home. All inlet and outlet connections are properly made, and electrical wiring powers the thermostat and heating element according to safety standards. To verify proper plumbing function, the freshwater tank is filled to capacity. Next, the sink's plumbing components, including supply lines, faucet assembly, and shut-off valves, are assembled and connected. The sink is then connected to the drainage system, with all joints and fittings properly tightened to prevent leakage. Later, comprehensive system testing involves running water through the sink, verifying proper flow and efficient drainage, and inspecting all visible connections for leaks. The gray water drainage plumbing is installed beneath the bus chassis to handle wastewater and ensure proper disposal. Drain pipes are routed and securely fastened along the undercarriage. They connect to the wastewater holding tank, which is mounted beneath the frame in an accessible location for periodic emptying. To prepare the bathroom for waterproof surfaces and long-term durability, moisture-resistant boards are applied to both floor and wall surfaces. These specialized boards are chosen for their ability to withstand high humidity and direct water contact, making them perfect for bathroom and kitchen applications. moisture-resistant properties prevent warping, swelling, and mold development, while providing a solid substrate for tile installation or other waterproof finishes. The shower area receives white ceramic tiles selected to complement the overall design and create visual harmony with the mobile home's interior palette. Finished wooden planks with moisture-resistant properties are installed on the bathroom ceiling and walls surrounding the sink and toilet, adding warmth and textured visual interest to the space. Jesse's craftsmanship is evident in every detail. The seamless, precise alignment of each element demonstrates the care and skill invested in this build. Grout is applied between tiles to seal all gaps, protecting underlying surfaces against water intrusion and damage. A small window enhances ventilation and introduces natural light into the compact bathroom. Interior trim is added around the perimeter to give it a finished appearance. Following sink and faucet installation, the functional plumbing setup is complete. All connections are made, and the system is tested to verify leak-free operation. Floor tiles are laid, creating a durable, water-resistant surface that elevates the bathroom's appearance and functionality. To protect the wooden wall planks in the bathroom and add visual contrast, dark, moisture-resistant paint formulated for high humidity environments is applied. The rich, dark tone adds depth and contemporary character to the bathroom interior, creating sophisticated contrast with the white tile work. A sleeping platform is constructed directly above the water storage tank, maximizing space while maintaining easy tank access for maintenance. First, a sturdy wooden frame is built around the tank's perimeter. Then, plywood sheets are mounted on top to form the platform surface. One section is equipped with hinges to create an access hatch, allowing quick and convenient service when needed. A vacuum-sealed mattress is unpacked and positioned. As it expands to full size, the mattress transforms the area into a cozy, comfortable sleeping surface. All remaining walls receive decorative boards that replicate the texture and aesthetic of the planks used in the bunk bed areas. Each board is cut to exact dimensions and securely mounted using construction adhesive and concealed fasteners. Openings are precisely measured and cut to accommodate functional elements like bunk bed entries and the bathroom doorway. The result is a warm, inviting environment where style and function merge seamlessly, highlighting the unique, personalized character of the mobile home. Luxury vinyl plank flooring is selected for its water resistance and minimal maintenance requirements. The planks interlock using a click-together system, making installation quick and straightforward. Each plank is cut to fit around built-in furniture and structural features, with expansion gaps left at room perimeters to accommodate natural thermal expansion and contraction. The entry door is redesigned to incorporate glass panels. Jesse marks and cuts openings in the solid wooden door, creating spaces for new window inserts. The entire door receives a crisp white paint finish, matching surrounding interior elements and contributing to a brighter entryway. This updated design allows natural light to filter into the bus, enhancing interior brightness and openness. Additionally, the glass panels provide helpful side visibility for the driver. A sofa-style seating area is built in the living space to comfortably accommodate the family of 5. Jesse designs the seating to fit all 3 children, while providing proper ergonomic support. Construction begins with a sturdy wooden frame fabricated from plywood and securely anchored to floor and wall. The backrest is built with gentle reclining angle to follow the natural spinal curve, promoting healthy posture during both travel and relaxation. The seat base is assembled with integrated storage underneath. A custom-cut foam mattress is placed on top, forming a comfortable surface that serves as the central gathering spot within the tiny home. Open shelving above the cabinets adds supplementary storage and improves kitchen functionality, keeping essentials within easy reach. The process begins with assembling shelf support frames, secured using adhesive and screws. Once assembled, these frames are mounted to wall studs above the cabinets and prepared for final finishing touches. Moroccan-style tiles featuring intricate blue and white patterns are chosen to complement the existing color scheme and natural textures throughout the bus interior. Wooden shelf covers with integrated LED lighting are applied to the frames, providing direct task illumination over the countertop work area. The television transforms part of the living space into a flexible entertainment area, giving the family options to unwind together and break up travel monotony with screen time for entertainment, education, or relaxation. Every detail, though small, plays a crucial role in elevating the overall interior. With clean lines, smooth transitions, and unified textures, the space now feels intentional, warm, and complete. Precision in every detail reveals a deeper story about Jesse, one of patience, dedication, and profound respect for his craft. It's that quiet commitment to getting everything just right that transforms a simple build into genuine artwork. Every carefully measured cut, every seamless joint, and every perfectly aligned surface reflects not just skill, but love, an expression of pride and passion that can be felt in every corner. A wall-mounted folding table is installed in the living area for the children, serving as both a dining surface and workspace for homework and creative activities. Three foldable seats that double as toy storage accompany the table. Jesse accomplished this transformation alongside his wife, Jay. Their support, teamwork, and shared vision converted a school bus into a home on wheels, one that will fill their children's formative years with wonder and extraordinary adventures. In this mobile home, every moment becomes a treasured memory, a beautiful journey shaped by family bonds and the endless magic of nature. On the open road, Jesse, Jay, and their 3 children embrace a life of exploration and discovery. Winding through forests and past waterfalls, ending each day around crackling campfires, sharing stories beneath star-filled skies.